Okay, today's leftover Sunday is a vegetable stir fry that my son's friends made for their Christmas dinner, and I said, don't throw that out if you're going to not keep it. And that's what we're going to eat here this Sunday, with the eggs, of course. I put the vegetables in the microwave for a little bit, get them a little bit warm, and now we're going to give them another re-stir fry here. Then we'll add in the eggs. Get the eggs rolling there. I like my eggs over easy. Man, look at that. Eggs may be a little bit well done, but I kind of like them like that. Now, bon appetit. Eet smakelijk. Yeah, hey there, guys. Good morning. You still have beautiful colors.